Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a super cool and easy way to share your LinkedIn profile with others using a QR code on your iPhone. It's quick, professional, and perfect for networking events. So let's get started. First of all, find the LinkedIn app. Now click on it. Now here you can see the search button. Now simply click on it. Here you can see a little QR code icon at the right corner. Now click on it. Now you are in the QR code screen. You will see two options here, My Code and Scan Code. My Code is the QR code for your own profile, where Scan Code is for scanning other people's QR codes. You can also scan the code from your photos right here. You can also download this QR code to share it later, or you can just have someone scan it directly from your screen. That's all for today. Sharing your LinkedIn profile as a QR code is one of the simplest ways to make professional connections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.